Now, what is pluka parfait? Very important to understand. Again, I'm repeating. What is pluka parfait? Present passé. If I want to jump from present to past, I take the help of avoir, être, présent. Now, pluka parfait, it means parfait, l'em parfait, parfait, l'em parfait. Bolo, speak up, parle s'il vous plaît. Parfait, l'em parfait, it means parfait, l'em parfait, pluka parfait, l'em parfait, pluka parfait, l'em parfait, pluka parfait, l'em parfait, pluka parfait. If I want to jump from pluka parfait, I will take the help of l'em parfait, avoir, être. C'est clair. C'est clair. Again, I'm repeating. If I'm in a present tense, okay, that's fine, I can do. If I want to jump on past tense, I will take the help of our, être, présent. I know now lamp parfait is very simple, you know, lamp parfait, you know. But if I want to jump on pluka parfait, I take the help of our, être, not as in présent, but as in lamp parfait. Pluka parfait, parfait, plu, more of parfait. So I will take the help of
avoir and être verb of l'em parfait.
yes, plus pepe. Pepe would be same. Only if with jet you are présent, I will insert avoir and être l'em parfait. C'est clair. Now we'll do the example over here. The screen is visible to you? Screen? Not visible. Is it fine now? Is it fine?
Yeah, it's about to come. Okay.
Now, l'em parfait of our verb first. L'em parfait of our verb. You tell me how to make l'em parfait of our. What is nous conjugation of our? Nous avons. C'est clair. What is l'em parfait? Okay, Isha ma'am, I will explain to you one more time. You there, Isha ma'am? Madam Isha, you there?
Isha ma'am is asking for permission to add her back in the meeting.
I have done.
She's not. She's back.
Okay. Now, what is pluka parfait? What is pluka parfait? It is very important to understand. See, I'm repeating one more time. Just see the concept.
Yeah.
What is the formula of passé composé? The moment you jump in the pattern of present to past, again I'm repeating, the moment you jump from the pattern of present to past, you take the help of avoir, être, présent. C'est clair? Again, you know l'em parfait. What is pluka parfait? In order to make a pluka parfait, because parfait, we have parfait, just understand parfait, I will take the help of avoir and être again only, but with
L'em parfait.
l'em parfait. Now, what is the avoir l'em parfait? We take the help of nous conjugation. C'est clair? Tell me. Nous avons.
Nous avons.
I have to eliminate O and S. Now what is this? AIS. AIS, AIT. Because j'avais, tu avais, il avait, c'est clair. Nous avions, vous aviez, c'est clair. C'est clair. Speak up. J'avais, tu avais, il avait, nous avions, vous aviez, ils, elles avaient. C'est clair. C'est le l'em parfait of our verb. C'est clair. Now what is, again, because I have to take the help of lamp parfait and être verb. Être. Our lamp parfait, you know, c'est clair. But at the lamp parfait, you cannot make it nous sommes and you will say nous sommes, sorry, je sommes. No, no. It is just, you have to understand one thing. The formula is AIS, and AIENT. But in case of être lamp parfait, you have to insert ET in the starting. For example, c'est la être lamp parfait. Speak up. Être एत्र जो आपका बनेगा ना वो ईटी से बनेगा. आपका बनेगा एत्र लैम्प parfait बनेगा आपका फुल वर्ब से. इससे बनेगा आपका फुल वर्ब से. You have to eliminate RE and insert AIS. C'est clair. Speak up. J'étais, tu étais, E aigu आएगा यहाँ पे. E aigu से स्टार्ट होगा. Il, elle était, nous étions, vous étiez, il, elle, étaient. C'est clair. Speak up, yes and no. J'étais, tu étais, il, elle était, nous étions, vous étiez, ils, elles étaient. C'est clair. Now, for example, the moment you use a term, I have come. For example, pen down please. You use a term, I have come. Say clair. Okay, now think of what you can do. Because pluka parfait, I have already explained to you, pluka parfait is your has plus have plus verb third form. Say clair. Now tell me, I have come. Just focus. Just think over. I will explain to you, but just think over. I have come. So venir is my verb which belongs to the family. J'étais one pepe. थोड़ा समझ आया? सुनो. Okay, I will explain to you. सुनो, listen to me. Pluka parfait, I have come. सिला pepe तो लगना ही है. Pepe in passé composé. Speak up. In passé composé. And pluka parfait. We have a similarity. Speak up. In passé composé. And pluka parfait. We have a similarity. What is similarity? Like pepe, we have a similarity. One you in passé composé, one you in lamp parfait. Sorry, pluka parfait. But the difference is in passé composé, I have to take présent of our and être, but in pluka parfait, I have to take lamp parfait of our and être. So être lamp parfait is j'étais. Speak up. J'étais. Tu étais. Il, elle était. Nous étions. Vous étiez. Ils, elles étaient. Then because I'm using now pluka parfait, when you say, when you say clair. Now make I have gone. फटाफट बनाओ. Make it fast, please. I have gone. Now first you have to understand ale is my être family verb. In 14 house verbs. Say clair. Ale is my ale. Now similarity is what? Ale pepe, ALLE agu. J'étais. J'étais allé. Tu étais clair. Tell me yes and no. Okay, I will write it down also. अनूप जी समझ आ रहा है? ट्रिकी है. रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है सारा सेशन. रिकॉर्डिंग देखनी है आपको. You have to see the recording also because this is very important session. Say clair. It's something like a tricky, not a ratta. These are tricks. If, for example, if I will ask you, learn. Oh no, please. Okay, how we can learn this? It's just a tricks. It is just you have to understand our and ethic, to be honest. It is just and your trends is in your place. Say Claire. Claire? Okay, speak up. J'étais allé. Tu étais allé. C'est clair. C'est clair. Elle était allée. C'est clair. C'est clair. Nous étions. Speak up. Nous étions. Speak up. Nous étions. Vous étiez. Elles étaient. C'est clair. C'est clair. Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
C'est clair. Now, for example, if I asked you, make tombe verb. Make tombe verb, please.
Yete tombe. Yete tombe.
Speak up, please.
Yete tombe. Tu étais tombé. Il était tombé.
Hmm.
Nous étions tombés.
Hmm. Very good.
Vous étiez tombés.
Uh-huh.
Ils étaient.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Say Claire.
Claire.
Claire. Okay. Now, tombe. Now make net verb. Plural perfect. Net verb. Make net verb plural perfect, please.
J'étais né.
Very good. J'étais né. Yes. Make it down, please. Make down. j'étais né. समझ आ रहा है अनूप जी आपको? से क्लैर. j'étais. ईशा madam समझ आ रहा है आपको? Madam Isha, you there?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes.
आ रहा है आपको सारा समझ?
समझ आ रहा है.
Now,
हाँ जी.
see the plural perfect. The plural perfect of your net verb. The plural perfect of your murid verb. The plural perfect of your murid verb. First, you have to understand what is my murid pepe. Yes. Now tell me the murid plural perfect.
J'étais mort.
Very good, because this is still a verb qui appartient. Qui appartient avec la famille. C'est clair. Clair? C'est clair. Okay. Now. I will do task. Now I will give you the task. 1 second. 1 second, please. I'm going to stop this meeting now. Okay. And I will do the task. Now wait here for 5 minutes. Yeah.